so surface area. That area right there is x minus 3 times by x minus 3. But we have two of those. Okay, I'm just going to not write that yet. This area here is x minus 3 and x plus 3. And the top is also x minus 3 and x plus 3. So we have two of these. Okay, but we have to double the whole expression. Okay, this is surface area, right? Because we have two of each, front and back, top and bottom. All right, let's expand. That's x squared minus, right? Minus 2 times 3x, so it's 6x plus 9. This is a conjugate pair, so it's going to be x squared minus 9. Okay, minus 6x plus 9 plus 2x squared minus 18. Combine those two, 3x squared, combine these two is minus 9. So minus 6x minus 9, and finally double it, right?